the animal and aqua feed industry and its associated industries have developed over the past decades into sophisticated processing systems requiring a high degree of either manual or automated control. Manual control is prone to human error, resulting in errors that can compromise both feed safety and feed quality. In the current environment, with rising ingredient, energy and labour costs, there are other pressures that should make automation a priority requirement. Accurate stock inventory, optimization of output, real-time traceability, and accurate reporting are essential for competitive survival within today's global feed industry. Automation is often only partially utilized within the feed industry as a means to reduce reliance on labor and improved accuracy of production. Many businesses do not capitalize on the huge economic benefits of a holistic approach to automation, which includes the complete process from order processing to farm delivery. Agentis Innovations have recognized the opportunities for both existing businesses and new builds to exploit these opportunities and have been actively expanding the automation technology of TAT Energy and Engineering within the Asia-Pacific region. Mill Plus and Smart Feed Mill represent the very best of cutting-edge automation control for the complete mill process. Both systems consist of a number of modules that link together to form a complete automated process. This process starts with Truck Plus. The receiving of ingredients in many Asia-Pacific countries can be a complex process due to the number of trucks arriving daily at the mill, combined with the sampling, testing and storage requirements. Many of the ingredients may be in bags or containers and tipped onto flat stores. Truck Plus can not only ensure the accurate identification and routing of each delivery, but can also control the organisation and unloading of the trucks based on stock requirements and storage availability, thereby avoiding many of the bottlenecks caused by high traffic flows on site. Accurate daily automated stock control of raw materials and additives ensures that the purchase department can maintain optimum levels of stock to provide both continuous production and avoid excess levels of stock, which in hot, humid climates deteriorates rapidly, resulting in unnecessary stock loss. Once the documents have been checked, samples taken and the material is approved by QA and purchase department, the next step is to ensure the material is sent to the correct intake and from there directed to the specified silo using intake station. The weighbridge issue a barcode or key number that directs the driver to the correct intake. At the intake, the driver uses either bar scan or enters a key code, and the intake will only accept if the right truck and ingredient are identified. The system ensures that there are no errors sending material to the wrong silos, as well as avoiding in-flight cross-contamination. The control and tracking of all ingredients is provided by Route Control. This provides not only complete traceability, but can be adapted to optimize the movement and stock control from silos to grinders and/or to the blending silos. This automation control will ensure that the grinder usage is optimized based on the requirements from the batching process. Smart batching is the heart of the Mill Plus and Smart Feed Mill system, controlling the process of ingredient weighing and blending. Features such as intelligent free-fall weight calculation, automatic jogging, multiple feeders, pre-discharging, and intelligent feeder control result in very low tolerances and highly accurate precision mixing to ensure feeds perform to nutritional specification and optimize production. The timed control of dry mixtures, liquids and additives will ensure even dispersion of all ingredients throughout the mix. Cross-contamination and carryover is a big concern for many in the feed industry, and smart batching provides a built-in cross-contamination matrix and auto-flushing function to prevent contamination from medicines and additives. Formulation input can also be automated by uploading from the formulation system to avoid the need for manual input and possible errors. Linked to smart batching, Smart Premix utilizes BarScan technology and touch panel computer to provide a completely secure system of hand weighing and addition to the mixers. Errors associated with hand additions of premixes and additives can be costly in terms of product wastage and contamination. Before weighing, the correct additive must be scanned, at which point the LED screen will display the required weight. Once weighed, a barcode is generated, which is attached to the bag or bucket. At the tip point, the operator scans the barcode, and if identified as the correct product and weight, the system will then allow the proceed to tip. Smart Premix removes the high risk of human errors associated with weighing and adding of hand additives. The system can be easily adapted for multiple tip points and will provide complete traceability, including lot numbers, receiving date, operator and weighing station. After batching, the focus switches to the pellet mills. Smart Pellet provides a complete automated function for the pellet mill. Smart Pellet is designed to optimize pellet mill throughput, improve pellet quality, and reduce blockages and downtime. All configurations of expanders, conditioners, fat spray at the die and pellet mills can be controlled by Smart Pellet. An easy-to-use touch panel LED control unit is used as the command unit for each pellet machine. The software provides automatic startup when material is detected in pre-pelleting bins, and a continuous changeover function which allows a press bin to start the next product immediately without any clean-out time. Continuous blockage detection helps prevent downtime by auto-control of feed flow rate and the steam valves. Automatic cold startup function ensures reductions in power usage and energy costs. Smart Pellet results in the optimization of throughput, reduced downtime and enhanced life of dies and rollers. Following the pelleting section, Route Control once again takes charge of the movement of feeds with appropriate controls for fat spraying, post-pelleting, liquid applications, the cooling process, and transport to finished product storage bulk and packing silos. For bulk truck loading, Smart Loadout will automate the selection and loading process. The driver is given a barcode card or keycard number, which is then swiped or entered into the LED panel at the loading station. Loading cannot commence unless the correct scan or key number is identified. The system ensures accurate weighing procedure, including in-flight compensation, or a manual entry system can be used if a weighing system is not installed at the loadout station. The system provides complete information regarding loading records for each truck and compartment and helps eliminate human error. In Asia Pacific region, the majority of mills supply feed in bags. Mill Plus incorporates many unique functions specific for the packing operation. Smart Bagging works with the route control system to automate the routing of finished product to each packing silo. An LED panel next to each packing line ensures the correct packing silo and product are selected. If a weighing system is installed, Smart Bagging can monitor the weight within very precise tolerances to avoid over or underfilling. The number of bags are counted and real-time reports displayed to show how many bags packed per hour per station. There is also the capability to barcode or tag bags or pallets. The benefits of Truck Plus, which were identified for incoming trucks, also applies to the finished feed trucks. The control of trucks coming into the mill are controlled from the Weybridge office, and once loaded, samples taken and documentation completed, the trucks can exit for delivery to farm. Winner of the 2012 Grappus Innovation Award for Milling. Q Plus addresses one of the biggest challenges in Asia-Pacific region, which is the control of bag truck loading. The display monitor provides information about the loading of each packing line. It includes estimated time of loading for each specific truck, as well as details of all product types and number of bags to be loaded for each truck. During loading, the current status and estimated completion time are also displayed. This provides useful information about how long it takes each truck to load. Q Plus manages the entrance and flow of trucks for loading within the mill and prevents trucks entering until the packing line is available. A unique system has been developed by TAT to provide a highly accurate monitor of bags as they are loaded. Smart Belt measures the length of each bag, so that unlike infrared beam systems, it is not easy to bypass the system. This provides many companies with a high level of security for what can be a very labour-intensive process. Throughout the mill process, data is gathered by a network of sensors fed into a programmable logic controller, or PLC, and personal computer, or PC. The system is able to provide diagnostics for each item of equipment, helping management understand throughput and productivity, and what is contributing or not to productivity on an employee or per shift basis, 7 days a week. Operating with LAN connection provides remote access functions for all the Mill Plus or Smart Mill screens. And the data logging and tracking result in multi-report formats that can be developed to meet individual requirements, as well as interacting with existing ERP and formulation systems. Mill Plus, the holistic feed mill automation system of choice. Brought to you by Agentis Innovations and TAT.